Want to shop in English without getting confused? Watch this conversation and learn all the phrases you need. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a t-shirt. Can you show me some?
Of course. What size are you looking for?
Medium, please.
Here are some medium t-shirts. Do you like any color?
I like blue and black.
Great. We have this blue one and this black one.
I think I'll try the blue one.
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I like it. How much is it?
It's $25.
Do you accept card payment?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Anything else you want to check?
Maybe some jeans. Can you show me your jeans section?
Yes, it's right this way.
Thanks. I'll look around. I like these jeans. How much are they?
They are $40.
I'll take these too.
Perfect. Let's go to the counter.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.